Hi everyone, I'm Trish Triumpho Sullivan, and I'm going to do a quick demo on how to make a pop-up card. So I'm going to have you look down here and so kind of get so that you can see what I'm doing here. So this is some old greeting card that I was given, and it was time to recycle it, and so I'm going to upcycle it into my own personal pop-up card. Right? What you will need for this project is some scissors, a glue stick or tape, or both. There's some regular tape, and maybe an old magazine. Okay, so what I did was I cut out some things from the magazine that are things that I like, because just remember this is a self-portrait pop-up card. So I like train travel and I like art, so I found a really cool train artwork. And then for the background, and then I found some photos of things I like. I like to take photographs. I happen to have studied the art and culture of Islamic Spain, so I have a photo of some of that. Of course, I enjoy art. I like a good scotch once in a while, and I love to dance. So I didn't see a picture of anything to dance. I cut these ones out of a magazine, but I made this one. And if there was something that you really liked that you didn't find in the magazine, you don't have to use magazine photos. You could draw something yourself. Maybe you like flowers, right? You can draw a flower. Maybe you like to read books, so you could draw like a book, an open book. So whatever like kind of describes you. So if I were to have something like that I really enjoyed, I might just draw my own and color it, and then cut that out. Okay. I do like to read. And I also like flowers and gardening. So these could certainly be ones that I might use for a project like this. Now, making a pop-up card is actually pretty easy. I think a lot of times we tend to make things more difficult than we need to. But like I said, we just have a basic card here. And the first thing I'm going to do is glue my background into the middle of the card. Okay? I'm going to take the glue stick and just do a quick glue here. Make sure I have it oriented how I want it, and I do. So we'll just put this inside the, there we go. Make sure it fits properly. Okay, so now we have our inner part. Then we're going to cut our little pieces in order to make it pop up. So to do that, you'll have to cut a little bit in like this. You'll need to do at least 3 of these. You can do more if you want. I'm going to do 3 because this is a demo. I don't want to take all day with it or all night. I actually want to go eat dinner at some point. So you'll see that I cut a few little, 3 little nodules. There we go, 1, 2, 3 little tabs, I guess you would say, into the card, the edge of the card that's folded. So I open it up, and I have these little spaces here. Now, once I open it, I'm going to take these and I'm going to pop them out the opposite way. So I'm going to pop them this way and fold them in the opposite way. What? I can do that. There we go. There's one. There. Two. And 3. Okay. So now when I open it up, I have these 3 little tabs that pop up and keep it open. So as you can kind of see it from the side there, okay, in the back. All right, so all I did was fold them opposite way and kind of bend them in. All right, so when I open it up, it pops up. Then the next thing you do is you're going to glue the things that you like on the front of these is to make it your self-portrait. So I'm going to take my glue stick and I'm going to do a little bit of glue. Whoops. Do a little glue on the back of this one. Stick it on there. A little glue on the back of this one. And a little glue on the back of this one. Whoops, I did it the wrong way there. There we go. All right, where's my other, oh, there we go. And then I found this one that says, whoops, Disfrute el arte, which means enjoy art. And I'm going to glue this on the back because that says something about me. Oh. Okay. Then make sure you let your glue dry. All right. I'm just going to do a quick demo here for you. So now you have, if I were to close this up, you have a card, right? And when you open it up, it has the things that I like, right? Plus a enjoy. Now, if you want to really finish it, you can take another picture and glue it on the back so that it looks once again like a card, and you don't have those little cutouts, but this is okay. If this is how it ends up, that's fine. But it's something that you can have some fun with, and you can make a pop-up card and give it to a friend or whatever. So that's it for this. Thank you very much for joining me, and we'll see you in class.